Global styles are an extremely important tool for maintaining and easily managing the visual consistency of a website. This feature allows for the definition of various elements, such as background colors, text fonts, and typefaces across the website. The values you define can be applied consistently throughout your entire site, allowing you to create a uniform theme quickly and effectively. With global styles, you can manage and maintain your brand characteristics consistently across your entire website from a single location. This helps in protecting and enhancing your brand identity. For instance, the Lightfunnels platform not only allows users to utilize existing global styles, but also offers a section where they can add and create their customized styles. By using this feature, you can create a look and feel that is continuous across every page and section of your site, thereby enhancing user experience. To add a new style to your website, you need to go to the Style section in the panel and define a new style by clicking Add Style. You can choose a style type and just save it by giving it a name. Select one of the features within the style types. You can customize by choosing many features such as color, font family, font size. You want to define a new font and apply it to your product title. I have saved the font family you determined. I selected your product title and am going to the style property of the title. The font I added is automatically listed here. Thus, you can apply global styles and at the same time, you can apply your personalized styles in specific areas. Lightfunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for Lightfunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of Lightfunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of Lightfunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that Lightfunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, Lightfunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.